Discuss the main function of the state finance commission. Under Article 280, 280 ରେ Constitution, the President is entitled to create a quasi-judicial body. President is entitled to create a quasi-judicial body every fifth year, 5 years. Create a quasi-judicial body. This body functions as the finance commission's quasi-judicial body. The finance commission consists of chairman and four other members. Four chairman and four other members. And finance commission of the state, governor of the state shall after every 5 years constitute a finance commission to review the finance position of the panchayat. Governor of the state shall after every 5 years constitute a finance commission in state also make a finance commission of the in the state. The position of the panchayat it shall make a following principle of the election law. SSC or UPSC aspirant, 15 lakhs jobs, 10 lakhs are members and 2 3 lakh 3 4 lakhs sarpanch and 1 2 lakhs councillors. The distribution between the state and the panchayat. The distribution between the state and the panchayat of the net proceeds of the taxes. The finance commission distribution between state and panchayat of the net proceed of the taxes, duties, tolls and fees levied by the state. Taxes, duty and toll and fees levied by the state. Actually, mm, state and panchayat of net proceed of the taxes, duties, tolls, fees levied by the state. The determination of the taxes, duties, tolls, fees that may be assigned to the panchayat. The grant in aid to the panchayat from the consolidated fund of the state. The grant of in aid to the panchayat from the consolidated fund of the state. From the consolidated fund of the grant in aid to the panchayat from the consolidated fund of the state. The measure need to improve the financial position of the panchayat. The measures need to improve the panchayat. Any other matter referred to it by governor in the interest of sound finance of the panchayat. Any other matter referred to it by the governor of the interest of sound finance of the panchayat. Okay, the determination of tax, duties, tolls, panchayat. Granting aids to panchayat from the council fund of the state. The measures need to improve the financial position. Need to improve financial position of panchayat. Highlight the significance of 44th Amendment to the Constitution of India. 44th Amendment. The 44th Amendment Constitution was enacted by the Janata government, mainly to nullify the sum of amendments by the 42nd Amendment of Act 1976. The Congress government amended which amendment? It has made wide-scale changes to the Indian Constitution. It has made wide-scale changes to Indian Constitution to make the Indian polity more democratic. To make Indian polity more democratic. Some of the changes. UPSC aspirants, I request you, I apologize, I beg you, every contest election in every panchayat and the councillors and every sarpanch, 15 lakhs jobs, not only study. 50 rupees only nomination, fees file nomination, good jobs, lakhs, crores, salary, dignity, car, every facilities. Please, with the study, you would contest elections in file nominations, every village in every local area. Constitutional protection of a public Constitutional protection to publication in newspaper of the proceeding of the parliament. Constitutional protection of a publication in newspaper of the proceeding of the parliament and state legislature. Proceeding of the state legislature and the parliament. Constitutional protection to publication in newspaper. President may only once send advice of the cabinet for reconsideration. State. The president may only once send advice to the cabinet. only send advice of the cabinet for reconsideration के लिए. Restoration of some powers of the Supreme Court. Only once. Rest of some powers of the Supreme Court. Fundamental rights guaranteed by the Article 20 and 21 cannot be suspended during national emergency. Actually, this type of suggestion now not changes by the 44th Amendment. Right to property was deleted from the list of fundamental rights. It is now only a legal right under the constitutions. So in 44th Amendment, fundamental rights is abolished. युवा सेव कंट्री देश को बचाओ contest election चुनाव लड़ो contest elections 50 rupees good jobs salary cars all youth all SSC aspirants UPSC civil service every government job aspirants contest elections file nomination 50 rupees every 2 3 years 15 lakhs jobs good jobs salary pension jila parishad 40 50,000 jila parishad in all over India so contest elections चुनाव लड़ो देश को बचाने खुद को बचाने नौकरी के लिए 50 रुपया में चुनाव लड़ो 44th Amendment Act repealed Article 19(1) FA also took our Article 3 31 Part 3 and made separate Article 300A. Act repealed Article 19(1) also took out Article 31 taken out of Part 3 and made a separate Article 300A in Chapter IV of Part XIA. This amendment may have taken away the scope of speedy remedy under Article 32 for the violation of right to property because it is no more a fundamental right. It also argued that the unlimited power of amendment. Actually, Article 31 it has been taken out of Part 3, 300A, 1A, Article 1A, right to property, Chapter IV of Part XIA 12. This amendment may have taken away scope of speedy remedy under the Article 32 for violation of right in property because it is no more a fundamental rights. It is also argued that unlimited power of amendment is necessary to meet the unlimited power of amendment so to meet the democratically expressed will of the people and the people's representatives should be trusted but abrogating the basic freedoms. Article 44. This amendment clearly suggests that the amendment tried to conform to values included in the preamble. Conform the value. The most important change made by the 44th Amendment Act was the deletion of rights to property from list of fundamental rights, making it a legal right under the Constitution serves two purposes. Firstly, it gives emphasis to the value of socialism include the preamble. Secondly, in doing so that it conforms to the doctrine of basic structure of the Constitution.